Hello, and welcome back to Osborne Insider, where you can get the latest information about our products, installation tips, and other news. We are excited to offer a new table slide option for your table extension projects. We already have several sizes to choose from for our 4-legged, 5-legged, and single pedestal tables. Now you can also purchase our breadboard slides, which allows you to add breadboard ends to your table rather than extending the entire piece. Our breadboard table slides are part 9065 on our website. They are sold in a set of 2 pairs, so you will receive 4 slides total. This set allows you to add an extension to both ends of your table. When extended, the slide will create a 16-inch opening that can accept a leaf up to 15 inches wide depending on your table. Each slide itself is 2 3/8 inch wide with a 30-inch length. All of our table slides are great for your holiday prep as they make it simple for you to extend your current dining table to accommodate extra guests. Be sure to watch the installation video on our channel and visit our website to learn how to choose the correct table slide for your project. Thank you for joining me for this Osborne Insider. If you would like to stay updated with our newest content, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, I hope you take the opportunity to build something beautiful.